So I just saw the most brutal freaking reel this morning that literally got me out of bed because it's 10:21 a.m. right now, Wednesday. Don't ask me why I haven't been sleeping. Honestly, I really don't know. I thought it was like last week's like upload, the fact that I was stressing, juggling a Coursera. As you can tell, I'm taking a Coursera class. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, I have those deadlines that I set for myself, and I also have, the editing deadlines that I also have to do. Oh yeah, by the way, I got new glasses. So I saw this reel literally when I was like in bed because I was debating on whether or not I should try and like sleep during the day right now that it's like 10, right? So I was debating on whether I should sleep, but I felt kind of fine. So right now, I got up and I got on the computer. But the only reason why I got up and I got on the computer was because I saw this fucking reel. Let me show you.
Yeah, get the fuck off. This is why your content is falling off. This is why your business is failing. This is why your relationship's falling off. Now it's 1:47 a.m.
So, the fact that he said this is why your content is falling off, and I was in bed when I saw that, I was just like, fuck, like, I gotta get up. So now I'm up, and now I already started on Coursera. I don't know where I'm gonna find the time to edit the next video, because, like, I don't know, this is just the most, okay, this isn't like chaotic, like I haven't slept chaotic. I have had like chaotic, I haven't slept chaotic in like a really long time. But we're not at that level yet, which is why, like, I guess maybe I'm not freaking out that much, but I still am. How do you know they're here? Did it tell you?
Yeah.
Oh, shut the fuck up. It's fucking here. Ah, it's Chick-fil-A! That was really fast, I know. Okay, I will set you there. Sealed with care. Can you see it? Yeah.
What?
It says, I mean, I already see what it says. It's the, what is it? Chicken soup bowl.
Yeah.
Oh, and it looks cool. You want another one, Kaylor? Oh shit, I fucking just dropped it. And it has a bunch of hot sauce.
There you go.
Yay! Look, we got dinner! It's like,
Oh, we're like, nah, you guys
I
are
was
sick.
like, nah. Taylor's sick. I was like, they need soup.
yeah, dude, literally when you told me, I was on the phone with Apple and I got the notification and I was like, oh my god, exactly what I needed right now. Anyways, well, I'll talk to you later because I gotta go back to the room.
Yeah. Go ahead and eat, guys. Enjoy.
Alright,
Bye.
bye. Dang. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Alright, so I'm currently sick right now. Ordered a new phone. It's been a while. I just took my cough medicine right now, so okay, I don't even know how you open this, so. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh. What does it say? Google Store, in with the new, out with the old. Reuse this box to recycle your old electronics. Just request a label. Follow the shipping instructions and your old devices will be recycled. Oh. Cool. So anyways, here's the new phone. Very, very warm. We've got the Google Pixel. Pixel 9. I got the pink one, obviously, because I like pink. Google Pixel 9. So, funny story. I used to have the Z Flip, and this isn't a very aesthetically pleasing unboxing, but I used to have the Z Flip, and it broke. So, honestly, I've never even opened one of these in a while. I just know people undo it from there. Does it come through? I don't want to rip the box. Okay, I don't know. Oh well. We're gonna open it. the way it was not intended to be open, I guess. Okay. Well, we got that out of the way. That's what it looks like. Google Pixel 9, like I said. Anyways, but yeah, I used to have the Fold. And it broke on me. Not the Fold. I mean, I feel like I need a bigger or like a nice, brighter, more background. A little bit. So, here it is. Very beautiful, very pink, very chic. I like it. Anyways, like I was saying, I didn't have the Fold. I had the Flip. So, it's very, very hot, actually. It comes with USB-C to USB-C. We already know. But yeah, I used to have the Flip, and when I was working, I, sorry, I'm just so mesmerized. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. That's mad crazy. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so when, I don't have a case for it right now, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So crisp, so clean. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's been a while since I've had a phone this size compared to like what, this size in phone. Look at that. Yeah, big difference. So, oh, did I turn it off? I turned it off. Oh, that's fine. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. You know, the nice little back glass. I like it. It's pink. It's cute. Do I have the money for it? Definitely I don't. But, you know, once in a while you need to treat yourself to something a little bit nice. So, oh, it even has the SIM card thing still. Interesting. Yeah, pretty interesting, I have to say. But yeah, I had gotten the... Oh, was it gonna make a sound? I heard it makes a sound. Come on, come on, come on. It's taking its time. What's it beeping at the bottom? Oh no, that's the camera beeping. The light beeping. But, yeah. It's really taking its time. I want to hear the sounds. Oh! What does it say? Welcome to your Pixel. Cool. Looks cute. Look at the pink, though. Look at the beautiful pink color. The camera doesn't do it justice of how pink this phone really is. Like, for real, for real. Let me see if I can shine it a little bit brighter. Look how pink that is. Oh, well. Yeah. Look how pink that is. Really, really pink. Really beautiful phone, I would say. Yeah, if you think about it, it kind of does look like an iPhone, you know? You see the little raised edges, whatever. So, yeah. Anyways, so it's getting your phone ready. But like I said, yeah, I actually did like the Pixel, the 6a. It was actually pretty cool. Yeah, so when I was thinking about getting a new phone, actually I wasn't even thinking about it, really. This was very, very impulse buy. Very, very impulse. And, yeah, I just had an itch, honestly. I got the itch, honestly, to switch back to Android. So, yeah. Oh, I gotta sign into my Google account. Enter the code. Okay, getting the code. Okay. What does it say? 396. Okay. Choose how you want to sign in. Sure, whatever. Another verification code. It's fine, it's fine. You know, you don't want your account getting hacked, so it's cool, it's cool. But yeah, I used to have the Flip, when the Flip broke on me, I only had it, I think, for like 6 months. I ended up going to the Pixel because I had yet to try, like, the Google Pixel. What does it say? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I agree. Connect to mobile network. I think download eSIM. Whoosh. Wow, so fast, so quick. Look at that. Gave me depth of field right there. Wow. Oof. Amazing. Let's make it take a picture of my iPhone. So quick, so fast. Look at that. You can even see. Cool, cool, cool. I don't know if I can call people. My husband? Sure. Let's call him.
Hello.
Hello? I'm calling you through my new phone.
Oh, cool. It sounds better.
It sounds better. You're shitting on all the iPhone people out there or what?
No, I'm not looking at anyone. I'm just saying it sounds better. I'm just stating a fact.
Oh, okay. Well, either way, I'm getting an OtterBox, so, you know, enjoy the crystal clear quality, because once I get it, it probably won't sound the same.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Alright, talk to you later. My phone works, so cool beans. Didn't have to do anything.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye. The Pixel and the iPhone are BFFs. But yeah, I like my Pixel. Looks like an iPhone. Let's be realistic. It really kind of does, minus, what is it, the thing. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hopefully I get better. Obviously this was a COVID unboxing, so hoping for the best. See what happens. USB-C as always. SIM card. Yeah, it just feels and it looks like an iPhone, to be honest. My first iPhone that I had was the iPhone 11, so my second iPhone was this one, the SE. Obviously I was going for a more budget-friendly one, and I really didn't want to do with the whole YouTube thing at the time, so yeah. Now that we're here, yeah, it's actually really nice to have a Pixel and have a longer battery life, because my current battery life is complete shit right now, so I didn't even notice my finger was there on the edge, but yeah. Alright, so talk to you guys later. I'm gonna enjoy my new phone. Have to wait until the case comes out, so I'm gonna be chilling for some time. And yeah. Very quickly, very seamless. So yeah, pretty cool. Talk to you guys later.